This is room 5271, a three-person interior room on the Carnival Luminosa. Come in. Bathrooms here on the right. Get the dreaded shower curtain. There's your shower. There's your toilet. Sink. 3 shelves over there. And 3 shelves over here. And remember, there's a step up to get into these bathrooms. Across from the bathroom is your closet. First closet has shelves, the safe, more shelves. Second closet, hang clothes. And the third closet, shelf, another place to hang clothes. Come on into the room. Here's a cabinet here on your left. Open it up. Here's your refrigerator. And then this is just a storage cabinet with a couple of shelves. Over here is your desk. And it comes with an American plug, and a European plug. And you get a stool to sit on. You got drawers. This will be your hair dryer. And then here's the beds. There's bunk bed comes down from the ceiling. Twin underneath. Twin next to it. 2 night tables and 2 lamps. Here's a look back from the bed to the door.